Introducing the Raton XL, the most efficient foldable e-bike ever made. This is no ordinary e-bike. It comes with patented I-Pass regenerative braking technology. While braking or coasting with the Raton XL, you can regenerate 60% of your used energy. Don't want to pedal? Simply press the throttle and go full electric. We believe more people should experience the thrill of riding an electric bike. It's not only good for the environment, it's good for your soul, and that's why we've kept the price so affordable. Its lightweight aluminum frame folds in 3 easy steps so you can take it everywhere. The Raton XL comes with a powerful 48-volt, 750-watt motor and a beautifully hidden 14.5 amp-hour Samsung battery to make sure you can conquer any surface or trail. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour and a 100-mile range, you'll have no problem getting wherever you want to go. The Raton XL also has extra-wide all-terrain tires, 180mm hydraulic disc brakes, an 8-speed Shimano system front suspension, and a plush seat for extra comfort. Easily view your stats with a 4.3-inch color LCD display. You can adjust your pedal assist level, check your battery life, see your travel distance, and view your regen stats. The Raton XL has the best features and the coolest technology to put a smile on your face. The Raton XL has an ambient light sensor which not only changes your screen brightness, but also turns on a built-in LED headlight while riding at night. You can ride much longer with the Raton XL than an ordinary bike.
So I'll see you tomorrow then.
Yeah, have a good ride, man.
You too. Bye.
See ya.
Exit right.
Hey mate, it's me. Traffic is hectic tonight. I wouldn't head down the high street if I were you.
Okay, thanks. I'll change my route. Hello?
Hey honey, are you close to home?
I'm just around the corner. I'll see you in 5 minutes.
Introducing the SwitchBot Curtain, a revolutionary wireless robot that makes your curtain smart in seconds. With SwitchBot Curtain, now you can wake up naturally to sunshine and the beautiful scenery outside your window, plus the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Recharge with a power nap during the day. Use your voice to stop the annoying glares from ruining your lazy afternoon movie. Go on a business trip without having to worry about your place. Your curtain helps to keep the bad guys away. Maintain a healthy sleep cycle with the scheduled notifications from the SwitchBot Curtain. We believe a smart home should be simple to set up. We designed the SwitchBot Curtain to retrofit all types of curtain easily with sophisticated mechanism from the inside. So for you, the installation is so simple, it only takes a few seconds. And it's wireless. We also believe the smart home lifestyle should incorporate energy saving and sustainability. A sunlight sensor is embedded to keep the room cool while saving energy. With the add-on solar panel, you'll never have to worry about charging. Even your curtain cares about sustainability. Your curtain is fully automated through the day with scheduled actions. Simply set and forget. Even the classic manual control becomes smarter with the Touch and Go feature. SwitchBot Curtain supports Google Home, Alexa, Siri, and IFTTT with the Hub. It took us 2 years to develop, craft, and test tirelessly. We tried and tested thousands of rods and rails, find every possible way to stress test it. Like this, and even this.